Buenas noches, vamos a ver nuestra clase virtual, el tema de street silvers. What are the street silvers? Tony or street silvers are the words with the half greater intonation and the time of saying in the case of voice, the duration and situation, gaze and the English. Es importante tener en cuenta que el street silvers es la fuerza que hacemos en una sola sílaba, en una sola palabra. Y a continuación vamos a ver unos ejemplos en donde vamos a hacer la fuerza en esas sílabas de esas palabras. On silver. The majority of kite with the words of single silver with fin apostrophe build the silver sample. Good, bad, might. The word usually see stress. The street silver we are with find on equivoy in Spanish. Are we going to see the street silver? Are we? They will be seen the street silver with a word. It will be a summity with character, intonation, duration, and volume. To silver. The word accentuated in the field silver. Example 1. Silver 1. Father, silence, weekend, is not the same as speed to the girl, speed and the how the way of speed English. This is going to help you with phonetics. 3. Compound no fit silvers. The compound word will carry in the case of the accentuation in the phrase silver sample. Snow. Y aquí es importante tener en cuenta que se presenta según los símbolos de la fonética un shower, que es cuando no hacemos casi fuerza, es más débil el sonido. Basketball, classroom, breakfast. 4 multiples of 10. As its name indicates, it refers to multiple of 10 sampling. Y última sílaba. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Repeat. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Final C pronunciation. In the card word carry the accent in the second syllable separate. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, all servants. Exercises in improve your accent to the street silver. Repeat. Come on. In silver. Teacher, football, ice cream, mother, yesterday, elephant, begin, agree, salad, perfect, vanilla, gorilla, operation, understand, employee, Japanese, afternoon, pornographic. Bye bye.